Every day, we unknowingly consume toxins and harmful substances that slow down our metabolism and pack on the pounds. But what if there were simple, natural solutions hiding in plain sight that could counteract this silent threat? Before you have your next meal, you'll want to hear about the surprising powers of apple cider, vinegar, and lemon water. Your health might depend on it. What is apple cider vinegar? Apple cider vinegar is a fermented liquid made from crushed apples. Apples are crushed and combined with yeast to convert their sugars into alcohol. Bacteria are then added to ferment the alcohol into acetic acid. The main active component is acetic acid, which gives ACV its strong smell and sour taste. ACV may help increase metabolism, aiding in calorie burning. It can help stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing sugar cravings, and it can promote feelings of fullness, leading to reduced calorie intake. What is lemon water? Lemon water is simply water infused with fresh lemon juice. Lemon water contains vitamin C and other antioxidants. It can help the body get rid of excess water, leading to temporary weight loss. The vitamin C in lemon water might aid in boosting metabolism. While some believe that its alkalizing effect can promote weight loss, this claim is debated among experts. Effects on carbohydrates. First, let's talk about how these drinks interact with carbohydrates. Both lemon water and apple cider vinegar have a unique ability to increase acidity and lower pH temporarily. Why does this matter? Well, when our pH drops, the production of salivary amylase decreases. Salivary amylase is an enzyme in our saliva responsible for breaking down starches. By reducing its production, we can potentially slow down the digestion of carbs. In fact, studies have shown that consuming lemon water before a carb-rich meal can decrease those post-meal sugar spikes by up to 30%. That's a significant reduction. Benefits of lemon water and apple cider vinegar. Now let's dive into the unique benefits of each. Lemon water has an edge when it comes to activating AMPK. AMPK is a protein that plays a crucial role in how our body uses energy. Think of it as a metabolic master switch. By activating it, we can potentially boost our fat-burning processes. On the other hand, apple cider vinegar shines in its caloric impact. It has fewer calories compared to lemon juice. Plus, it contains pectin. Pectin is an indigestible fiber. It can help you feel fuller for longer and even stimulate gut hormones that play a role in metabolism. Sugar content and effects. But what about sugar? While squeezing a lemon does add a few grams of carbs, it can cause a minor insulin spike. Apple cider vinegar, however, is often recommended due to its effects on attenuating glucose. This means it can help stabilize blood sugar levels. Interestingly, while both can help with glucose levels, lemon water seems to have a longer-lasting effect in terms of stabilizing blood sugar compared to apple cider vinegar. So, which one is better for fat loss? The answer might surprise you, and it's all about timing. Consumption timing. Now, let's talk about the best time to consume these beverages. Believe it or not, timing can make a significant difference in their effects. Drinking apple cider vinegar or lemon water after dinner can have some surprising benefits. It can help lower glucose levels at night, which may lead to improved sleep quality. And what about the morning? Combining these drinks with other things, like a healthy breakfast, may actually prolong their effects throughout the day. That's right, starting your day with lemon water or apple cider vinegar could set the stage for a more balanced energy level. Combining water with apple cider vinegar or lemon juice. Now, you might be wondering, why combine these with water? Both vinegar and lemon juice are acidic, and mixing them with water can unlock additional benefits. For apple cider vinegar, make sure to shake it until it's cloudy. This cloudiness may actually increase the pectin response, enhancing its effects on satiety and metabolism. So don't be afraid to give that bottle a good shake. Benefits of consuming with meals. Finally, let's explore how these beverages can complement your meals. Apple cider vinegar may increase gut hormones that can aid in weight loss. It's a simple addition that could make a big difference. Lemon water, on the other hand, is particularly good with carbohydrates. You can enjoy it at any meal to help manage those post-meal sugar spikes. And here's a pro tip. Try apple cider vinegar before a workout. It might activate the nervous system and increase alertness, giving you that extra edge in your exercise routine. So there you have it. Whether it's lemon water or apple cider vinegar, these simple beverages can be powerful allies in your fat loss journey. It's all about how and when you use them. Experiment and find what works best for you. Now that we've dived deep into the wonders of apple cider vinegar and lemon water, I'm curious. When do you usually have your lemon water or apple cider vinegar? Is it first thing in the morning, before a meal, or perhaps at another specific time? Have you noticed any changes or benefits since you started? I'd love to hear about your personal experiences. Please share your stories in the comments below. Remember, achieving optimal health and vitality is a journey, not a destination. With that said, there is no harm in liking, commenting, and hitting that subscribe button to get more health and wellness videos like this. Stay informed, stay healthy, and until next time, take care.